Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest tech gadgets. Today, we have the pleasure of exploring the Inventor HAT Mini by Pimoroni. So, let's dive in and see how it performs. Right off the bat, the Inventor HAT Mini stands out with its unique header connection, similar to the Sense Hat. This allows for pass-through GPIO pins, enabling you to connect another board on top. Just make sure you have extra long headers and some M2.5 spacers to ensure rigidity. If you plan to use it on its own, you can slide it down the Raspberry Pi's GPIO. However, for Raspberry Pi models other than the Zero, pay attention to the clearance for QWST and audio connections, or simply use an extension header. Installing the software for the Inventor HAT Mini is well documented on Pimoroni's GitHub repository. Although it's not as easy as their automated installer for other boards, the steps are clear and the installation process didn't take much time. Moving on to the GPIO pins, there are 4 general pins that also follow the SVG pinout. These pins serve as both digital and analog pins, giving you versatility for various projects. Additionally, a user button located next to the GPIO pins provides a simple input option. One of the standout features of the Inventor HAT Mini is the presence of 8 WS2812 Neo pixels, which are tiny controllable LEDs. With a custom Python module, you can easily control them as a group or individually, adding a touch of visual appeal to your projects. The Inventor HAT Mini also features connectors for compatible DC motors, specifically those with a 6-pin JST shish connector. However, if you have typical 2-pin DC motors, don't worry. They can be connected to the underside of the board. Just make sure to pay attention to these connectors, as they are easy to miss at first glance. On the underside of the board, you'll find a 2-pin audio connection for a small speaker. The Max 98357 3.2 WI2 South mono amplifier ensures decent quality audio output, adding a cute and clear audio dimension to your projects. For advanced users, the Inventor HAT Mini offers additional unpopulated headers. These headers include serial communication for advanced connectivity options, as well as headers for supplying power to the board. It's important to note that only one power source should be used at a time. And there's even a trace that can be cut to isolate the Pi from the motor power source if needed. In terms of software, Pimoroni's Python module accompanying the Inventor HAT Mini is of excellent quality. With their attention to detail and commitment to abstraction, learners can achieve quick wins and gain confidence in their coding and electronics skills. In conclusion, the $24 Inventor HAT Mini from Pimoroni impresses with its simplicity and well-curated list of features. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, this board offers a lot of value. Raspberry Pi Zero users will especially appreciate its compact form factor, while those using other Raspberry Pi models can easily overcome clearance issues with extended headers. Overall, the Inventor HAT Mini is a great addition to any project. That's all for our review of the Inventor HAT Mini. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more unbiased product reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.